As we give dialogue a chance, and indeed we must, there is need for all parties in the DRC to respect international law and ensure the safety of diplomatic assets and personnel within the country, as well as uphold long-lasting legal and moral principles of respecting peace missions.
Our meeting provides us with a platform to resolve our challenges for durable and sustainable peace as our firm contribution to the African agenda for silencing the guns. This is a historic event, and we should seize the opportunity so that we make a sure start to a process for ensuring permanent peace in our region, starting with the eastern part of the DRC.
It is therefore critical that as we have a meeting of minds, we place the people at the center. We are the voice of the women and children of Eastern DRC, as well as the various troops out there in the field. We have therefore a familial duty to appeal to the hearts of the parties to the conflict to give peace a chance.